Hi, this is Ken with Ken's Perfect Jams, and today I have a decadent little treat for you. We're going to make grilled cheese, but we're going to make the ultimate grilled cheese. This grilled cheese, the grilled cheese that I do, I use fig jam. I use two different kinds of cheese, nice thick sliced cheese. I drizzle the cheese and the fig jam with just a little bit of olive oil to give it a little more unctuousness, and then to give it a little bit of umami pop, I sprinkle it with some fine flake sea salt. This is an adult grilled cheese. This is a grilled cheese unlike any you've had before. If you go to the description box below this video, download a copy of the recipe, assemble your ingredients, we can make our grilled cheese together. So the first thing I do is I cut open the roll. I cut the rolls in half so that we have access to the inside. I will show you one. I'll assemble one. Actually, I'm going to assemble both of them, but you can see me assemble one of them. And then when we'll cut away, I'll assemble the other one, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to put them in the pan and all that other stuff. So the first thing you want to do is take the fig jam, or whatever jam you're using, and spread it onto each, don't you run away from me, spread it onto each side or slice of bread. There we go. I see more jam trying to run away. Come back here. Come back here. There we go. You want a nice, thin, even layer of jam on both pieces of bread. And this is actually up to you. You can do it as thin or as thick as you like. Actually, I prefer it a little on the thicker side, so I think I'm going to use up all of this on one sandwich, and I'll just get some more. I'll get some more jam because I have the hookup. So here we go. Yeah, that's looking more like what I like. Let's put some more of that over here. Okay, so we have two pieces of bread. The next thing you want to do is just lightly drizzle some olive oil over that. Now we're going to take the flaky sea salt and we're going to lightly sprinkle some over each slice. Now comes the fun part. Each sandwich gets 3 to 4 slices of cheese, so I like to alternate. There we go. Actually, let's turn them straight so that they don't hang over. Okay, so I have cheddar, and this is just the way I do it. You can raise your cheese however you want. So I have cheddar and Swiss. So this time I'm gonna go Swiss and cheddar. Then we're going to marry our two slices so that the cheese is together. It's going to go in the pan. You can use a panini press for this if you would like, but I wanted to show you how to do it old school today. So I have a grill pan here. This can of tomato sauce is just, it's the weight. It's just a heavy weight that I'm gonna put on top of the sandwich to cook the sandwich. So that's one sandwich assembled. I'm going to assemble the other sandwich, and then we're going to cook these bad boys up. And basically, we're gonna toast it on both sides until we start to get grill marks on the bread and the cheese starts to melt. And then I'm gonna turn it, and so that the other side can get the same sauna spa treatment. And then we'll come back when the sandwiches are done. Okay, we have toasted our sandwiches, and there you go. Isn't that gorgeous? And I'll cut one open. Oh, hot. Let me be smart here. There we go. And there you go. So thank you for joining me today. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and like magic, our videos will drop into your box every Wednesday. So once again, I'm Ken, Ken's Perfect Jams. Have a great one.